Did you know X is paying creators thousands of dollars just to tweet? And recently, Elon Musk said he's going to be paying creators even more money in order to keep up with YouTube, which is also seen as their competitor. But the crazy thing is that it also have requirements to this, and I'm going to show you guys in this video how to actually get to their requirement and also how to keep it real and get monetized quickly. So make sure you watch this video to the end. In this video, I am going to show you guys exactly how to unlock your monetization on X quickly, including the specific requirements that you need to hit and also the strategies that you need to get there even faster. And also, it's going to help you even though you are starting from scratch. So if you are ready to get onto this, let's go ahead and start talking. Now, what exactly is monetization on X? First, how do you actually get paid on X? It actually has different ways for you to get paid, including the tips. And now it actually have three main methods in order for you to get paid. And I'm going to describe everything for you in this video in order for you to help you to put the money in your pocket. Now, the first method for you to get paid is actually the ad revenue, which is actually what a lot of people are actually going for. This is the big one. And also you get paid just by sharing revenues from ads that displays on other people's, on your replies or probably on your post. Now, the next is actually subscription. This is formerly the super follow, which actually lets your loyal fans to pay you monthly, or also a bonus particular option for content. Now, the next one is tips. This is just a tip, or rather a digital tip added into your profile that your fans can also just pay you, just like gifting you. Now, the steps, or rather the requirements that you need to get this qualified are as follows. So without talking much, let's just go ahead and describe the requirements for you to get eligible for this program. This is actually what most people actually get confused. So I'm going to make it very simple because the rules actually change along the line. And this is the most recent rules that is actually active on X. So to get payout from ad revenue on X, these are all you need to do. First, you need to actually subscribe to your X Premium. Yes, you need to get that blue tick on your X. That's the reason why a lot of people are buying it. You get verified, or maybe you are an organization and then you verify to be an organization. Now, it doesn't just pay, you actually need to pay in order for you to play this game. So it is paid in, not just a free payment like other platforms. The second, you need to at least follow 500. You need to actually get 500 followers in order for you to start earning. This is actually the second requirement that you need to meet. And now the third requirement is that you need to actually get 5 million organic impression on your post within the last 3 months. Now, if you're able to get this, you'll be able to start making money from your ads revenue. 5 million actually sound like a lot, but do not worry. I am going to show you guys a quick way for you to actually get it or to hit that number very fast. Now, the next I am going to talk about is actually for you to pick your tool. Now, what exactly do I mean? Once you hit your goal, you need to actually set up your tools and also go to the settings area, go to the monetization area for you to turn on either you turn on the tips or rather you connect your Cash App for you to receive money from the platform. And also you can also set up your subscription if that is what you want. So, now, how exactly do you get 5 million impression? Now, this is actually the tip I'm going to share with you. So make sure you pay attention to this. This is actually how you get 5 million impression very quick in order for you to start getting paid with ad revenue. Now, the first strategy is for you to become a reply guy. Now, do not actually spam. Listen very carefully in order for you not to lose your account or your monetization. Now, this is actually what you do. You go over to accounts that have, let's say, 1 million followers upward, and also they post regularly. Now, if you see them, you turn on the notification. Now, you become a reply guy by replying to their post whenever they make the post. And make sure that your reply is always valuable and or rather funny or maybe conversational, which is to start more conversations. Because if you have more conversation on your own reply and your reply gets even more reply, you are going to get massive views or massive impression from that. So being a reply guy is the first and most recommended by a lot of people, and because it is actually proven. So being a reply guy also can also lead you into trouble, which is you making spammy content. So make sure you do not just leave some random comments on people's, or rather some random replies on people's posts. Make sure that your replies are reasonable. If the replies are reasonable enough, people are going to reply, and just make sure you make it controversial so that they will be able to respond and get you into the program very quick. Now, also another thing is for you to use visual. Now, another way to actually get people seeing your post is for you to either use images or videos. Now, either you use images that are 3 times engaging, or rather, instead of you just using a text alone, let's say you find a funny video on Instagram that is trending, you download the video, edit it, make it look, add some caption and make it look very good in order for people to be entertained with that, and then you re-upload it on X. Now, if you download the video on Instagram and then just upload it like that, you might have issue, you might not get those views that you are looking for. So make sure you make the required edits on this video and make them yours, and then you upload it on X. Now, if you are doing this, you are going to be able to go viral. And also in a week, make sure you leave at least 1 or 2 threads on your account. Now, post threads, which is actually going to have some people scrolling through that particular bits. Now, this is important. Now, the next one is to applying and getting paid. Once you have actually reached the requirement for monetization, which is 500 followers and 1 million impression, you are going to go to the monetization tab, and then from there, I think you also need to verify your ID. If you already have it verified, go ahead and set up your Stripe account. This is actually how X pays you. Make sure that the tax info is also filled in, and your payment is going to get in straight into your account without any delay. And every time you reach $10 limit, you are going to get paid. But if you have actually reached the monetization and you are already earning, but you are not seeing your money coming in every month, or rather every 2 weeks that they make your payment, that is only because you have not reached the $10 requirement for you to get paid. You need to actually be reaching $10 requirements in order for you to be getting paid every time that you receive your payment. But if it's not up to $10, you are not going to get paid. Now, keep the money flowing. All you need to do is to actually get approved and just start to keep your check coming in every time they are making payments. Now, stick to your niche. Don't actually deviate. Let's say once in a while you go to trending topics and then you come back to your niche again. Whenever something is trending, you can post trending stuff or rather viral stuff. But after you're done that, come back to your normal niche and start posting on your niche. That is actually how you keep in check. And also getting monetized on S is actually faster, and it also helps you to build a lot side income on the side if you also have other places that you are also working on. So it is actually easy for you to get this going, but it is going to be a challenge if you are just starting out. But if you do it well, you are going to get this very quick. I am going to assume if you do this well, you are going to get monetized within 2 months, and that is actually how I got monetized. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I don't know if it is. Let me know on the comment section if this video helped you. And also don't forget to smash like and subscribe for more video like this. I am going to see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and peace.